In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get into the official League of Legends Discord server. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually exit out of Discord and open up a web browser of your choice. You can do this on a mobile device or you could also do it on your PC. It doesn't necessarily matter, just make sure that you get on some sort of browser. And when doing so, go ahead and type in League of Legends Discord. And what you're going to want to do is actually select this very top link. This top link right here is the official invite for the League of Legends Discord server. So when you click on it, it's going to load you into a page here and then it's going to launch Discord just like so. And after it launches Discord, you simply just need to go ahead and accept this invite right here. From here, it'll have you customize the Discord server, put on different roles, and change your notification settings. But after doing so, you'll be good to go. You will need to read over the rules as well in order to actually see any of the channels and chat. So make sure you do that. But after that, you are all set. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out here in the channel. And if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.